Planning a road trip with kayaks, bikes, or a rooftop cargo box? You're going to need crossbars that won't rattle, whistle, or worse, fail when you're doing 70 on the highway. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best crossbars for roof racks you can actually buy on Amazon right now, covering everything from budget-friendly options to premium picks that'll outlast your vehicle. All product links are in the description box below, so let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Thule Wingbar Evo crossbars. Thule is a Swedish company that's been perfecting roof rack systems for decades, and the Wingbar Evo represents their best engineering yet. The first thing you'll notice, how incredibly quiet these bars are. We're talking whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. That's because of their box beam design, which was literally tested in wind tunnels to minimize drag and noise. Most crossbars will give you that annoying whistling sound once you hit 50 or 60 miles per hour. With the Wingbar Evo, nothing. Just smooth, silent cruising. These bars are made from aircraft-grade aluminum in Sweden. Not China, not Taiwan, Sweden. The build quality is phenomenal. Forum users consistently report these bars outlasting the actual vehicles they're mounted on. One guy on a Autekcomma forum said he transferred his Wingbar Evos through 3 different trucks over 12 years, and they still look brand new. Load capacity sits at 220 pounds, which is higher than most competitors. And here's something crucial. These have T-slot compatibility, meaning they work seamlessly with Thule's entire ecosystem of accessories. Bike racks, cargo boxes, ski carriers, everything just clicks right in. Now, the downside? The price. These will set you back significantly more than other options on this list. But if you're someone who uses roof racks frequently, maybe you're an outdoor enthusiast or you regularly haul gear, the Wingbar Evo is worth every penny. Think of it as a one-time investment that'll serve you for years. Check the link in the description for current pricing and compatibility with your specific vehicle. At number 2, we're looking at something specifically for the Tuyoung roof rack crossbars. This is the Tuyoung 300-pound capacity crossbar, and it's absolutely crushing it in terms of value. 300 pounds. Let that sink in. That's higher than Thule, higher than Autekcomma, higher than pretty much any premium brand out there. And we're talking about a vehicle-specific design that fits Foresters with raised side rails perfectly. Though note, it won't work with the wilderness trim. What makes these special? 4 built-in tie-down loops, 1 on each mounting bracket. If you've ever tried to secure a kayak or a canoe that extends past your crossbars, you know how valuable these loops are. You can run straps through them for rock-solid security. It's a feature you typically only find on much more expensive systems. Installation straightforward. Most people have these mounted in under 30 minutes. Everything's clearly labeled, and Tuyoung includes an installation video that walks you through the process step by step. The anti-theft system uses a metal lock core with anti-drilling and anti-pry features. It's significantly better than the basic locks you'll find on cheaper bars. And the base feet are one-piece molded construction, rather than cheaper multi-piece designs that can crack over time. The one consideration here, these are vehicle-specific, so they only work for the Forester. If you're someone who switches vehicles frequently, you'd need to buy new bars for your next ride. But for Forester owners who plan to keep their vehicle for years, this is an absolute no-brainer. All the details and the direct Amazon link are down in the description. Coming in at number 3, FengYu Lockable roof rack crossbars. These are vehicle-specific crossbars available for most popular SUVs and crossovers, with load capacities ranging from 260 to 300 pounds depending on your specific model. What's impressive about FengYu is they've upgraded their construction significantly. We're talking die-cast aluminum base feet, not plastic like many competitors use. The crossbar itself is aircraft-grade aluminum with this really smart aerodynamic wing design that cuts through the air efficiently. The anti-theft lock system is solid. It's a metal mechanical lock that provides genuine security. You get keys with the set, and the lock cylinders are high quality. The installation process is tool-free for most vehicles, and FengYu includes all the necessary hardware, plus soft rubber pads that protect your vehicle's paint. Here's what to watch for. Because these are vehicle-specific, you need to make absolutely sure you're ordering the right model for your exact vehicle year, make, and model. FengYu makes dozens of different versions, so double-check the compatibility before you buy. Amazon's fitment checker helps, but always read the product description carefully. For the money, though, these are fantastic. You're getting premium materials, high weight capacity, and a perfect fit without the premium markup. Link is in the description. Just search FengYu plus your vehicle model. Number 4 is for the Amazon Basics Cross-Rail Roof Rack. The Amazon Basics Cross-Rail Roof Rack comes in 52 and 56-inch sizes, and it's shockingly good for the price. Let's be clear about what this is. It's an entry-level product designed for occasional use. The load capacity is 165 pounds, which is perfectly adequate for most recreational needs. A cargo box, a couple bikes, maybe some lumber from the hardware store. You're not going to mount a rooftop tent on these, but for weekend adventures, they're more than sufficient. The construction is aluminum alloy with rubber-coated steel clamps. Amazon includes an integrated locking system, which is great at this price point. The rubber ceiling strips do a decent job of minimizing wind noise, though you'll definitely notice some whistling at higher speeds compared to the premium options. What really impresses people is the installation guidance. Amazon provides video tutorials that make the process super straightforward, even if you've never installed crossbars before. And because these have a universal fit for vehicles with raised side rails, they work on a wide variety of SUVs and crossovers. The trade-off? Durability. These will work fine for several years of light to moderate use, but they're not going to last a decade like Thule bars will. The rubber components may degrade faster, and the finish might show wear more quickly. But here's the thing. At this price, you could replace them twice and still spend less than one set of premium bars. If you're someone who uses roof racks maybe a few times a year for family camping trips or occasional Home Depot runs, Amazon Basics is a smart choice. Save the money and put it towards other gear. Check the link in the description for current pricing, and Amazon's return policy is excellent if you need to send them back. Rounding out at number 5, Autekcomma heavy-duty black upgraded roof rack crossbars. Autekcomma has been building Toyota and Lexus-specific accessories since 2019, and they've really nailed it with this design. The load capacity is 260 pounds, which is significantly higher than the Toyota OEM bars that only support 175 pounds. That's a meaningful difference if you're hauling a rooftop cargo box or multiple bikes. The crossbars feature this water drop aerodynamic shape that does an excellent job cutting through wind. Multiple users specifically mention zero wind noise at highway speeds, which is impressive for an aftermarket product at this price point. The construction is aircraft-grade aluminum with a triple-layer coating that provides rust protection, high-temperature resistance, and salt protection. Crucial if you live in coastal areas or places that use road salt in winter. Here's something Toyota skimped on. The OEM crossbars use plastic locking mechanisms. Autekcomma upgraded to a metal anti-theft lock system that feels much more secure. You get keys with the set, and the lock cylinders are high quality. Installation straightforward because these are vehicle-specific. Everything's labeled, tools are included, and most people have them mounted in 20 to 30 minutes. They're also compatible with the panoramic sunroof, no interference whatsoever. And you can choose between black and silver to match your vehicle's trim. That wraps up the top 5 best crossbars for roof racks available right now. Don't forget to check those links in the description for current pricing and compatibility. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.